So the party already decided my name for the one Shillong parliamentary seats and Saleng is Sama for the two Tura parliamentary seats.
Kaseng Indian National Congress mynta sngi ka arphowe tarik lber 8,000 kalalum ya baroh ki president bat ki secretary jong ki district bat ki block bapher shwa sdang ya ka jingialap election lok sabha na ka bynta kyrtong ka congress Bah Vincent Pala. Katei ka jingkhot jong ka party, ia baroh ki president, bat secretary, kadai ban hikai ki nongialam ka party, bakim dai ban Kynthoh Iano Iano Haba Leit Ialap Elekshon Hynrei ki dai ban Kren Tang ya ka Nongrim jong ka party.
District presidents and the block presidents of one Shillong parliamentary seats. Normally we have this meeting after the election announced the date and also after the party has decided the names of the candidates. So the party already decided my name for the one Shillong parliamentary seats and Saleng is Sama for the two Tura parliamentary seats. Because of that, we try to give instructions to our workers and also we take the views of the district president, the block president, suggestions because election will be fought not only by us from here but at the block level mainly and how to speak for during the campaign and so many other things which normally we practice, how to put our polling agents, when is the last date to give the names. That is the purpose of the meeting. In the meeting we have already told our workers that we should have polling agents in every polling booths and also we told them to give us the names in advance so that we can convey it to the election commission. We also told them that this election is a different election, very contesting elections. So we request them not to speak unnecessarily, not to, like before there used to be a personal attack on candidates or leaders of different parties. So we suggested to them and we requested them to refrain from personal attack on anybody because I think that may not be the culture of our politics in Meghalaya. We also told them that this election may not be like other elections because the BJP has frozen 11 accounts of the Congress and that will be around more than 215 crores. And they have snatched away, forcefully they have withdrawn the money, almost 115 crores from the Congress accounts to the income tax accounts. So we'll be fighting these elections with lots of restraints in terms of resources. But the BJP is doing this because they know that the Congress is the only party who will be able to fight against them. And in the meantime, for the last 3-4 months, the party has done a crowdfunding.